Good morning. Christmas music's so loud. We've made it to Animal Kingdom. We're getting coffee. Christmas tree's still up. Music is still on. We have lightning lanes for Na'vi, Flight of Passage, Kilimanjaro, and Everest. And I'm going to try and get Dinosaur. So, do all the rides. We're going to shorten our time here because we have a huge night at Magic Kingdom. Let's go. Let's head into Na'vi River Journey.
That's really cool, hey? Yeah. You remember the movie, right, Mum? Yeah. And the second one. The third one I think is coming out this year. They're doing a fourth one too. He's making 3 back to back. So he's been making the second and the third, the third and the fourth one. Yeah. And they also wanted the right actors to play the kids. Yeah. So this one would be based on the first movie, yeah?
Yeah. So they're doing a new land in Disneyland that's based off Way of Water and Fire and Ash. Alright, we have gone on a boat with the Navi and then flown on a Banshee. Love this area. It's so well themed. It's gorgeous. But now we're going to go see some real animals and get on a safari. I really like the safari. I think it's really fun. Let's go.
By themselves rather than in groups or herds. They do also stay on the smaller side for rhinos, only getting up to about 3,000 pounds. Make sure children are seated on your laps.
Look, see rhino.
The forest, they get that nickname because typically they're harder to find and be seen. They do like to stay hidden the majority of the time. The lighter colored ones are called greater kudu. They are female greater kudu. We can tell they're female because they don't have any horns. The term wildebeest means wild beast in the language Afrikaans. When wildebeest sleep, they do like to sleep in rows just in case they do have to get up and evacuate quickly. They're not going to topple over one another that way. They also have a nickname pronounced gnu, spelled G-N-U. They got that name because it sounds like the noise they make when they vocalize. Back there on the left-hand side were the African painted dogs. They do get their name because of their very unique color patterns. They do like to hang out in packs, typically about 5 to 15. Also back there on the left-hand side are the sable antelope. Sable antelope are the official emblem for the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. They are very popular animals here. We did pick them to be the emblem because when they are put in a fight or flight situation, they're more often going to tend to fight rather than run away, which is very impressive those prey animals to do. There are these wildebeest again here on the left. Make sure children on your laps are staying seated, guys. It is very important. Trunks that we do in our entire body, so that's really going to help the valleys pick up heavy things like logs. They can also use the tips of their trunks the same way we use our fingertips to pick things up, so they're going to be very gentle and precise.
There's a little baby!
Elephants. It will take them up to a year for them to figure out how to fully use their own trunks.
You see your elephants?
It's a tree of life.
There's a baby up there. It's up top. Oh, stop! Oh my god!
There's a baby.
Little baby. It was like the baby.
Greater flamingo. Greater flamingo get their name from their greater or larger size. That pink color comes from the keratin in the crustaceans that they eat. When they first hatch, they're going to be a light gray. It will take them 2 to 3 years to develop that pink color. After they hatch, make sure we're staying seated, guys. Please sit down. White rhinos actually don't get their name from their color. They get their name from the mispronunciation of the word vite in Afrikaans, meaning wide, referring to their very wide mouths. It is used in sports, so it's going to help protect their eyes from the glare of the sun when they run.
How full. Very thin.
So you can tell these are female by looking at the sides of their tusks. They have very short tusks compared to male warthogs that look just over 2 feet long. They can take resources from their own farm and not the natural environment. Their milk is sweeter compared to milk from other animals, which does make them and their milk
All right, we're off the safari.
We're
Good times.
off the safari.
It was very good. And now we're going to Everest. And first we're going to admire the Tree of Life though. Always see the Tree of Life from the back because it is so cool on all angles.
What was that book we used to read as a kid that you spot all the animals? You just spot all the animals in like the pages and they were hidden. The peacock.
You ready to tackle Everest? So ready. And that is it. Dinoland USA is officially closed. All the plants in the way. We are going to still ride dinosaur, but can no longer walk through. Walls are up.
Oh, look, they can roast it in the snake.
Already stuff coming down. Ready for tropical America. This is our farewell tour of dinosaur.
I love that baby dinosaur.
Gonna become Indiana.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
When?
Whenever they do Tropics of America.
Oh, okay.
Let's say farewell to dinosaur.
Right hits. Let's roll. Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oleoramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now. Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Another big guy coming up. Computer. Slow. And identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Asteroid impact in 90 seconds.
We better move it.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming!
Asteroid impact in 60 seconds.
We can't stop now. Keep going, keep going.
Compsognathus.
Computer, what's happening?
Loss of traction.
Four-wheel drive, move it!
Warning, meteor strike.
Evasive maneuver! Left! Right! Left! Right! That was close. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission. Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it!
And that was our farewell to dinosaur, and oh my goodness, I forget how much that ride jerks you around. Farewell dinosaur.
Bye, dinosaur.
We'll see Indy real soon. Time for some lunch. Flame tree barbecue. Yes. Look at Kevin just hanging out. Saying goodbye, Kevin.
Oh my god.
So good.
Kevin.
And next on our farewell tour, Tough to Be a Bug, which is going to become Zootopia. Let's go. They have no idea what they're in for. Looking at all the animals on the tree of life. Make our way in.
Oh, come on.
And with that, we farewell. It's tough to be a bug as well. And that ends our time in Animal Kingdom today. Let's see how long this vlog is. That might be it for this video. Might be after Alice elsewhere. It's nap time.